Hello everyone. So as I promised with all of you that in my next tutorial I will told you how the pricing is working in Snowflake and how we can download Snowflake. So in this video I am going to show you what is the pricing of the computing storage virtual data warehousing, and in next step I will show you how you can download the Snowflake client in your machine along with JDBC driver and ODBC driver. So let's see. This is the kind of pricing of Snowflake, and it is depend on the storage cost, compute cost and data transfer. So this is a normal diagram where you can find out how it is costing according to the storage cost. For example, if it is going to storage AWS S3 or Azure block storage based on actual storage. The same with computing cost, that is kind of how it is loading data then processing data, and it is always taking the actual usage. Also, if there are virtual data warehouses, then it can help maximize cost. Show you how you can download a client one for Snowflake. So I click on CL1 client and now I'm going to download JDBC driver. So by this clicking you can download JDBC driver, ODBC driver, or if you need to use Python, Node, then you can easily download from here only. So I have clicked on this and now I have clicked on JDBC driver. If you feel that you're not getting proper direction, then there is a Snowflake documentation. From there also you can get all the steps how to install Snowflake. So this is the kind of like indexing of Snowflake, and they are, because my Windows is 64-bit, so I will click on Windows 64-bit. After clicking on this, I can get all the files that supported Windows 64. After that, I will click on ODBC driver and I will click so that it can be downloaded in my machine. The same process is going with ODBC, and again I have clicked on the 64-bit. It totally depends on how much bit of your Windows in your system, and I will click on the latest version of Snowflake. So I click on the latest version and you just need to click on and just doing next, and it will help you to install Snowflake in your system.